I received my special package. I was not even expecting it to be fast and to be here already. So this really motivated me. I didn't care again how tired I am. I didn't care what time is it. I just couldn't hold it anymore. I just need to share this joy with you all day. I mean you watching me now is worth hearing. You will learn from it, you will gain from it, and you will thank me later. Okay, if this is what you would like to see, sit back and
you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my wonder.
okay, welcome back. Like I was saying, today is extremely a special day for me. A day I am really happy. What really gives me this joy here? You watching me gives me joy. Hi, creating content, you gaining from it, me the ability of me to share my passion with you out there is what really makes me happy. But in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a gift. Yes, unboxing a gift. Like I said in my previous video, I'm going to put the link up there, anywhere up there. Like I said as a content creator, don't wait for marketer, don't wait for producer, don't wait for seller to find you. As a content creator, when you know you can do what you're doing good, and you know you have passion for what you are doing, and you know you are happy in doing what you are doing, don't wait for producer, marketer, seller. Don't wait for them to find you. Find them. You might gain, you might get a yes, you might get a no, but there is no harm in trying. Trying will not cost you anything, but in the process of trying, there are lots of scammers on the net. Anytime you get an email, when there is link in the email, please don't always click every link, because I've heard from so many people, after clicking a link, their email will be hacked, their account will be hacked. So in doing that, in finding a greener pasture, or in finding a beautiful and a lovely gift, please always stay at alert. If you don't know how to go about it, if you don't know how it works, please educate yourself first, because I won't want to hear somebody out there crying, oh, my account has been hacked, oh, I'm not in trouble, oh, I'm not. There is no harm in trying. There is no harm in asking questions. There is no harm in educating ourselves. There are lots of good videos on YouTube, on every social media platform, where you can learn, where you can educate yourself. Make it as an hobby to watch other videos. I do it. I have so many content creators that they are my role model, that I learn from. Everything is out there. You just need to take a move and get there. So guys, before I take you over to another topic, today's video is all about unboxing my new gift. So like I said in my other video, I said when the producer don't look for you, look for them and get it. So like I did in the other time, where I got my hot comb, I will also put the link there. I saw this seller on Amazon. So I love their hair, because in my channel I give a lot of tutorials, makeup tutorials on how to create your own wig, DIY on how to create your own beauty products by yourself. I'll be putting the links. We have done a lot. If you are new here, you've not checked out our playlist, Don't hesitate to do that. You'll be glad you did. We've done lots of goodies. Have gained lots of goodies also as a content creator. So I saw this shop on Amazon and I was really interested in their stuff. So I just go down to the website, then I saw it that one can chat with them. So I chat them up. I send them the name of my YouTube channel, and I told them about my niche. I can customize webs to wig. I can style the hair. I can do this, that. So the marketer agreed to send me some sample. Sorry, agreed to send me some sample, and she or he, I think a lady, yeah, she told me to customize the sample to a wig, and from there they can see what they will be sending me. Isn't that wonderful? So I always like to share my lucky experience with you, M&S family, with you watching me now, with everybody, so that you can learn and also gain from it. This is what I got, because the time I was so impatient to wait to open the hair first before I do this video. I said it's good I just do it right away, so that I don't want any other story to come in like, oh, I got the hair last week, is now I want to share the experience. No, you see. And the most funniest thing, the hair was even sent with an express courier service. It's not a normal courier service that would take like forever. This, I think the last time I chatted with the marketer was I think some 5 days ago, and the hair is already there. She just sent me pictures that they are going to send me some sample. I should use it to customize a wig, and after all we talk more. Maybe I may get more and more and more. You never can tell. So I'm going to open this hair now. So the pack, they say reusable large packet feathers. So their shop was in Amazon. I think it's from China, because they have a lot of Chinese written on it. Yeah, I think so. I can't read the Chinese word. So whatever. The name of the shop is Sapphire Official Beauty Hair. Sapphire Official Beauty Hair. So I'm going to put their link on my description box, their Amazon link as well. You can also check them out. This is not a paid advert. I just received a gift and I want to share the gift with two people. So here is a sign on how to open the packet. Oh, impatient will do me now. It's very practice. So the packet is open. Oh my god. So yeah, Sapphire, I think so. They had a wig length and eyelash is really the small one. So that is that. The hair was packed in another bag. Oh my god! 3 bundles and a closure. 3 bundles and a closure. This is 14 inches. This is 14 inches. This is 14 and 14. Oh my god, isn't that wonderful? I'm going to customize this hair to a bob or shoulder level. I don't know. So I'm going to customize this hair and I may bring you along to see how I will customize it, or I might share the styling of the wig. Wait, yeah, it's written 100% human hair, unprocessed natural hair. So I'm going to open one packet. It's the same, just 14. So you guys should not mind the noise here. So they use elastic band to like hold the tip to the packet. I think without this one, it's going to flop down like that. I think the essence of this elastic band is to hold the tip to the packet to make it look nice. So they put it here, style straight. So I get open. Oh, so wonderful. I know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What did I say? Oh my god. This hair is so silky, and the color is what did they write on it? Is I don't know what it is. This wine color they call it. This paper here is showing how to maintain, and this is human hair, unprocessed natural hair. They wrote, to maintain the hair to its best, please follow the instruction carefully. What you may do to this hair: number 1, you may apply or spray a leave-in conditioning after washing your hair to protect them from heat. After any chemical service, you may give yourself a hair treatment using deep conditioning. You may brush your hair daily from head to root. What not to do to this hair: don't use excess heat. Don't perform a chemical service without supervision of a professional. Don't go to bed without wrapping. Okay, is it wonderful? Once again, I want to say Safira hair, and this closure, it looks new. I think this one should be 2x4. It's not 2x6. Yeah, because I've not really tried that before, because 2x6 will be longer. This is 2x4. Oh, I'm so loving the hair. So if you want to see the outcome on this hair, this gift hair on me, stay tuned to this channel and watch out for our next video. You will be glad you did. I really want to say thank you, Safira Official Beauty Hair. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate this. I see you again next Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. For now, stay safe, stay protected, remain blessed. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.